Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reply to a specific message on Instagram. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. And once you done that step, you simply need to go and open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top right, and then you need to select any conversation, and then you need to click any message and swipe right like this, and here you can reply easily like I am doing. This is the first method, and the second method is to select a message again. Let me select any other message to show you an example. Okay, hold that for a while, and in the bottom you will find the option of reply. Click on that and you can reply easily here. So this is a process by which you can reply to a specific message on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.